Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a new recipe for you guys today. It's salt and chili fried yam inspired by salt and chili chicken wings that you get from the Chinese takeaway. So the ingredients are some raw yam, peppers, onions, chilies, and of course seasoning as well. So guys, the first thing to do here is to salt the yam. So yam itself is really bland. There's no flavor in yam, so the salt really helps to bring out the flavor of the yam. So just gonna salt the yam and then fry it for about 10-15 minutes just to get it nice and crispy. So like it's important for the yam to be crispy for this dish to taste nice. So guys, you can tell that the yam is almost done when it starts to get a bit darker in color, and then the skin of the yam also gets quite puffy. So I'm just checking one of them there just to see how hard it is. So I'm just going to drain the yam on a paper towel now, remove most of the oil, and then fry the veggies really quickly in the oil, add the seasoning, and then mix everything together with the yam, and it's done. So here's just a quick close-up of the yam. Gotta break open one of them for you to see how it looks on the inside. Feel free to taste it. The only thing with yam is that it's so addictive, and if you're not careful, you could literally eat it all before the meal is ready. So it's important not to overcook the veggies. You really want to maintain, a certain level of crunch to the peppers, because it just adds a bit more to the meal. So yeah, just cook them really quickly on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the seasoning and then add the yam, and that's it. So in terms of the nutrients we have in this meal, there is a lot of carbohydrates coming from the yam, and then lots of vitamin C coming from the peppers and the chilies as well. So, and the oil, I use sunflower oil in my meals. Sunflower oil is very high in polyunsaturated fats, so which are the good kind of fats. So they help to lower the bad kind of cholesterol. So that's low density lipoprotein, and having low levels of this type of cholesterol can help to reduce your risk of heart disease. So common types of polyunsaturated fats are omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. So the omega-3 fatty acids help to reduce triglyceride levels in the blood. So triglycerides are a type of fat, and they also help to reduce the risk of diabetes as well, and they help to lower blood pressure. And then the omega-6 fatty acids also help to lower blood pressure and to control blood sugar. However, too much of these can promote inflammation and constrict blood vessels, so which in turn again will raise blood pressure. So whereas types of fat to limit would be saturated fats and trans fats. Now I'm just going to taste the yam and add a bit more chili because it's not spicy enough for me. But the trans fats and saturated fats, they increase the bad kind of cholesterol, so the LDL that I mentioned earlier. They decrease the good kind of cholesterol, and they also increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and like there's just no known benefit of these fats to the diet. So it's important to limit the consumption of these. So that's probably enough of me ranting on about types of fats. The yam is now ready, as you can see. If you like this video, please drop a comment below, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!